So here's how you can make $80 from your smartphone per hour, which is easiest method that I have found. And if you want more videos like these on how you can make money online, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more videos on this. So here's the app. It's available for iOS as well as Android. This app is called ProductTube. You have to sign up on the ProductTube website or from the app. Then you will start receiving invites to the video project. You have to make videos, so you have to follow the simple instructions to record the product experiences. You have to upload the video to the ProductTube directly from your smartphone, and within 48 hours you will start receiving your rewards via Amazon gift cards. So ProductTube is an application that rewards shoppers for making short videos about the products that they buy and consume. So it's like not an investment. You're gonna buy something for yourself and you have to make a video about that, and you will start earning from that. And it's available for Android as well, as you can see here. And if you see the reviews, here's a review by this guy. He says, I've used this app off and on for a couple years and I've made $245, but would have made more if I did more missions and not just here and there. So he has made $245 just by doing few missions. You can earn a lot from this app. And in the website itself, it says you can make $50 to $80 for 1 hour of effort per month, which is one of the best ways you can earn money and the simplest ways. Here are demos as well in store videos. Like you can log into the ProductTube once you receive new project notification in your email. Then the next time you are in the store, you can make a short video showing how you shop in that category. So it's not like you have to buy thing. You can make a video in the store showing how you shop in that category, and then you have to log into the producttube.com or from the app and you have to directly upload it. And at home videos, these were the in-store videos. At home videos, you can log into producttube.com once you receive new project notification. Then you have to make a short video using the product and tell them about your experience, and you can receive rewards within 48 hours. And videos should be watchable, audible, do not need to be edited. So these are so simple and you can earn money from that. These are the at-home videos example. These are the testimonials. So you can just go to that website and you can check out the information about it and tutorials on how you can use that, and you can read the testimonials as well. It's as simple as that, and you can earn money per hour through this, which is the best part about it. And I'll drop the link in the description to this ProductTube website, so you can go ahead and have a look on how this works. And you can download the app on your smartphone as well. It's available on iOS as well as Android. Thanks for watching.